Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets are a little bit higher overnight, led by wheat. I think this is our first weather sensitive rally in the grains after the USDA's planting progress and crop ratings. USDA basically said that corn planting was 7% done versus 15 average. Illinois 2 versus 21, Iowa 2 versus 15. Soybean planting 3 versus 5 average, Illinois 1 versus 8. Iowa 1 versus 3, Arkansas 12 versus 21. The winter wheat crop ratings dropped 3% to 27 good to excellent versus 30 last week and 49 last year. Kansas is 26, Oklahoma 16, Arkansas on the bright spot is 77% good to excellent. Soft wheat plantings 13% versus 15 average, North Dakota 4 versus 8. From a weather front, 6 to 10 day and 8 to 14 days does show showers in the Midwest. Some were hoping that we'd get some 80-degree temperatures and maybe some wind this week to allow for some dryness and some planting before the next rain event this coming weekend. But it looks like we're not going to see that type of weather, so we're not expecting a lot of planting done this week. In Illinois, it doesn't seem like there's a lot of ponding going on, and farmers are yet to come out and start planting corn around some of their wettest areas in their fields, and they're waiting to see what's going to happen. It's interesting that there's no real resting farmer cash sale orders above the market. The first orders start popping up on the December corn around $8, and for November beans around $16. The winter wheat crop ratings has got some concern. Some boots on the ground are saying that they may produce zero wheat in southwest Kansas, southeast Colorado, and the Oklahoma and Texas panhandle. No change in the weather forecast there. Northern Plains continues to look like it's going to be wet and cool, especially in the U.S., and that could delay plantings of spring wheat up there. As far as South America is concerned, again, some dryness in central Brazil, raising concern about their second corn crop. We did note that farmers yesterday in the beans were increased selling old crop beans because of the devaluation of the real versus the U.S. dollar. We also noted that most of the weather is okay in Europe and the Black Sea. And we also note that there was some reports about some dryness across some of the winter wheat areas of China. Earlier this year, there was a report from the Chinese ag minister that their wheat crop has started looking at the worst that it's ever seen. We also note that we've got Canadian acres today. We'll see if wheat is down, wheat is up, and canola is down. And Australia came out with their first estimate of next year's wheat crop around 29 million tons versus 36 this year, and that's just using acres and trend yield. So as always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.